today we can buy paper. If you're a photographer and you're printing, you can print on archival paper, or you can write on archival paper. But I wonder if when they say archival today, if they mean it'll still be here in 1,500 years, or it'll still be here in 15 minutes, right? We have a different sense of time today, I think. What do you, essentially you looked at, in the past, you've looked very deep into the past here about how these things were made and exchanged and how they survived. What do you think about the things we're producing today, the books that we have today? And I mean, what'll be left from our civilization 1,200 years from now? What do you think?
Oof. I always think about that because we lived through this period when you said, oh, I will never read newspapers on a screen, and then we do it.
Yeah, right.
And then who would have said that each of us would carry like a little screen to read whatever.
Right. So maybe Dick Tracy, the old Dick Tracy cartoon. But that's about it. Yeah.
So we are now going through a transition, and there's the same resistance that was there in place in antiquity to the new format of book. Yeah. There was some resistance to the digital books and the digital documents, but now I think we are all immersed. So we are in the 4th century of today. So we have already gone into the codex and we have accepted it. So we have accepted the digital era. But I wonder how, unless I don't know, because I don't know about this, but how are these documents stored, and does all these changes in technologies, can they guarantee like survival of all these?
Yeah. No, I mean, the first computer I used in the 1980s had discs that were this big, and then we went to the 5-inch disc, and then we went to the 3.5-inch disc. Now, then we went to, other different things to record on, and I can't access any of my old documents. And even if they were stored just digitally and I could access them digitally, the software doesn't necessarily know how to interpret them, right?
Yeah.
Is there any hope for us to be able to preserve anything that we're restoring digitally? I mean, really?
I don't know. It's like it depends. So in the transition from one technology to the other, that's like a selection of things that are like copied into, so this happened in the past.
Which is what you're studying, right? They went from one technology to another, right? From the
but
scroll
things
to the
that were
codex.
chosen not to be were not chosen to be copied into the new technology, and this is going to happen, I think, today. Yeah. So all the things that we do not choose to digitize, they will disappear.
I think they will. We should be...
Perhaps it's for the good, I don't know.
Well, we could print them on papyrus and put them in jars, right? What do you think?
Okay, that's a solution.
All our libraries need to have special rooms for the...
We can suggest that.
To put the jars,